We need to learn more. We need personalities. Personalities will be like the main deciding factor. I'm not deciding anything else right now. I'm just saying they're on my radar. Cause anytime we pick too soon, and then we get to know personalities, and then we switch sides, and then we feel bad.
Someone is always like, no, you belong to me now.
Right?
And then we have to make confessions, and it just gets really embarrassing for everybody.
Yes.
So. K-pop fans, welcome back to KCord Girls.
Welcome if you're new.
I'm Mark.
I'm Bree.
Oh! That's my bra. I got no limit. We're done.
Hey K-pop fans, welcome back to KCord Girls. Welcome if you're new. Today we have a little something extra. I'm gonna say try and make it quick, but with the videos we have attached to it, that's just not gonna happen. Anyways, we have our EXO albums that just came in.
Yes.
So we are going to be unboxing those, and then with those we are also going to be watching EXO's Killing Boys and their relay dance for Cream Soda. So really excited to get into that, so we'll go ahead and just start getting these boxes open. I have not even begun on the tape for this one, so
I got the tape and out of the box, so I just got to get out of the bubble wrap.
do I even need to cut the tape? I might not even need to cut the tape.
So I think we ordered both from the same place. I ordered from Play K-pop Cafe because I went to go get it on Choice Music, which is usually our go-to, and I could not even find it on there. Like it was gone from existence. I don't know what happened to it.
I found it, but it was sold out.
Oh, okay. Well, I couldn't even see where it was sold out. Like it was just gone for me, and I was like, okay then.
Am I stupid or weak? Like I don't know how to open this box. Like the ends are folded in. Okay, yeah, I'll just rip it. That works.
There's a flap here in the front, so like.
Oh, so I should have cut the tape. Okay, never mind. Leave it to me to do it like the most complicated way possible. Woof. Oh, sorry, that was like a itty bitty teeny tiny little spider.
Oh my god.
I'm okay. Oh my god. I don't know if that thing came out the box or what happened. I opened the box and all of a sudden I just had like this teeny tiny little spider in my arm.
No spiders. No spiders welcome.
And we both got different versions of the album too. They offered 3 versions, the E, the X, and the O.
Right. I got X. I was debating between E and X, but I went ahead and got X because it's pink, and I was like, well, I'll just go with
I got E, because from what I can tell,
E looks
things
more
gonna get dangerous. So
yeah, E looks dangerous, but I was like, I'll just go with the pink one because it's calling to me. So
it's pretty. I do like.
I'm pretty sure I got the less dangerous one. We'll see.
I think you got like the really colorful one. I think it's supposed to be like really refreshing and colorful.
Yeah. So
get mine open. Also, remember, we are not EXO experts. We are still learning. We are still trying to get educated, all that stuff. Educated. And so, ooh, nice picture.
Yeah.
We might not know the names of whatever freebies we get. We're gonna have to see how it goes.
Right.
But we do have a guide planned for next month.
We do.
As long as nothing goes crazy. So we're gonna learn.
I know this one. Sorry, that was a cat. Did you hear that?
I sure did.
That was a cat on a piano.
Oh, we definitely know that one. I'm trying to find a group shot first. Oh, God. Sorry. Y'all, I need y'all to just cover up a little bit. Oh, wow. I'm gonna get to the solo shots. I was trying to find like a good group shot and everyone's like, nope, we split up for this one. Cause it'd be too much to have all of us in one picture right now. Can I please get one all together picture? Just one all together picture?
Oh my god. Okay. Sorry.
You alright over there?
No.
Okay, you know what? I give up.
I think. Okay. So I think. Nice. Nice.
It gets
in this group. I have someone that wants to be my bias, and I'm just like,
desperately.
I just need you to calm yourself down. And that was a no.
That was a big no. That was a hard pass, miss.
Right?
I have a couple that have been standing out to me a lot lately. And I'm like, oh wow.
Oh wow.
Why are we doing all of this?
Why?
All of this, all of this.
Look at this. He's just like,
Ooh.
you think you're safe?
Nope. He's like, this might be colorful, but that don't mean you're safe.
Right?
Oh god. He's becoming an issue. Baekhyun is becoming an issue.
Yeah.
Oh goodness gracious, Mer.
Oh my god. I'm feeling that bird on Angry Birds.
Bird on Angry Birds. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh god. Here's more.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Just I don't. What the?
Really? Oh damn.
Right? Like he's like, I'm just gonna lay myself out here. I'm like, okay.
Okay, so I found Kai. Kai. And of course it's paired with Baekhyun.
Oh.
So first Kai, which, oh my goodness, sir, what are you? And then Baekhyun, and it's like, why? This is too much. This is too much on the same ish page. Oh, never mind. Here we go, Mar.
Yeah. I love the alien sunglasses. Right.
Oh, I do too.
So freaking cute.
Y'all
Sir,
just...
whatever you got planned, you need to stop.
No. Mar.
Hey, why so aggressive?
Oh god. Yeah, well, look at Kai.
Oh wow. See, this is why I refuse to call anything, and I'm pretty sure.
Why again? Why do I keep getting Kai paired with Baekhyun? Why? Why are we doing this? Why are we doing this right now?
I finally got to my freebies. Oh my god, I'm gonna kick you off my lap. Oh.
It's just...
I finally got to my freebies.
Oh, finally a group picture.
A group picture. Man, that's a good one.
It is.
Okay.
I think my freebies are trying to fall out right now. Y'all need to go away. Oh my goodness. Whew. Wow.
I really do like the coloring in this one.
I do too. I think the coloring's so pretty. Oh my god. We got some lots of skin going on.
Yeah. Oh my god! Seriously! It's Schumann and Kai in the same...
Wow. Wow.
Yep.
See, and next month is... Wow, again. Okay. And next month is also Mer's birthday. Oh, I love the bubble shot. Next month is also Mer's birthday, and so that means we're going to try and take her out with very dangerous videos. And I found some EXO ones. Oh, I think I found one EXO one. Was it one of the subunits? I'm gonna have to look at it again. But I found a Baekhyun one and And since she's having issues with Schumann, I found a Schumann one. I don't know how dangerous the Schumann one's gonna be because it looks kind of cute, but we're gonna see how things go. Oh, I love that. It's such a good shot. Why are we on the bed and zooming in? Why are we doing all of this? Why? Why?
See, I like
oh God, really? He was like, hey, you might have an issue, so here you go.
There's a full page.
Right?
I love the effects.
Yes.
The color
effects are awesome.
Really cool. Okay, sir, don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that. Schumann is
That's
not
angry.
my problem. I didn't ask for this life.
Oh, wow. That's a nice shot.
The looks in this one. Oh my God. Yeah, that is good. Look at this.
Uh-huh. The looks are killer. Try not to show every single page just because that would literally take all day.
Right.
But oh my goodness.
He's like in the bathtub. He's fully clothed, but sees all the bubbles. The bubble. We in the bathtub now.
In the bathtub now.
Clothed, but in the bathtub.
Oh God.
Oh my God. Look at this. Look at the... Okay, first, Schumann, here. Oh wow, that is... Schumann here. And then, like, the most judgmental look on the planet.
Like, how dare you look at that page? How dare you? Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Yep. But see, I say Baekhyun's an issue, but honestly, there's a few others too that I just don't know their names right now.
Going, oh, it's safe.
Hey, here you go, Mer.
Oh, yep. Jeez.
Oh, here you go.
Very, very nice. I can't.
See, okay, him on this other page, he stands out a lot too. I think he was one of the rappers, if I remember correctly. I could be wrong. I don't know.
You can't see it. Damn. Because he's got, like, glitter, like, right there. And it's just right there. And why is it just right there? I don't know.
We don't ask questions. We just roll with it.
Oh, here's another great... Ow, that's my knee. Here's another great group shot.
Oh, nice.
I love it.
So far, I've only gotten one group shot.
Wow.
Oh my God. Mer.
Oh, wow.
Kai looks like he's on the prowl. Oh, here we go. Here's a group shot, finally.
Yeah, I got an ending group shot.
I only got 2 group shots of the entire thing. And then, of course,
Yours
we have the CD in the back.
Yeah. CD, too. Yours reminds me of kind of like almost like not like a romantic, kind of like vampire or camera. Yours reminds me of like kind of like vampire style or like old, like very old, styling and just romantic and all that. Mine's kind of like you said, newer, refreshing, some type like 90s boy band almost.
Yeah.
Kind of feel to it. I love it though.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. And it was not safe.
No.
You know what? EXO probably is never safe. That's probably not even a thing. But I'm really happy with mine. Oh my goodness. I'm glad I went
Same. I'm very happy with mine.
Yeah.
Sir, I don't know your name, but you's dangerous as hell. Look at this. Look at this.
Right? Like, he is, like, an issue for me. And there's another one where, like, he stands out a lot. And
I got 2 of him.
Oh, he's just like, yeah, I want to be in on this too. Okay, I
don't know who he is, but holy cow, sir.
Again, I can't tell, but it's one of those, can you tell? There we go.
Oh, wait.
Did you get one?
No, none of mine do that. That must just be for yours.
That is awesome. Okay.
Unless I got freebies in here I don't know about.
See, this is the other one. I don't know his name and I feel really bad, but this guy keeps popping up.
Suho?
Okay.
I think. I think
keeps
because he
popping
was
up.
one of the ones that I had mentioned when we watched Cream Soda, and there were some very awesome XOLs that gave us names. That's how I picked up Baekhyun, because thanks to them and their comments. That was the only reason.
Yeah.
I think it's Suo. I think they said he's the leader. Let me double check that.
Okay. He's the other issue.
Yes, absolutely. And
Oh,
then,
I think that's who this is too, I think.
I think so. And then
The
here's the
glasses, I
other
can't
issue
tell.
whose name I don't know. Like I said, I think he's a rapper. I think he's one of the rappers. See, but this one on the back of the card, it's like signed. Like with little messages.
I have.
But I still, you know what?
I can't.
I don't know
I got
your name.
this one,
Okay.
and it's signed. And again, I can't tell with his signature. What
Yeah.
his name is. And I feel bad. I'll get there. I promise. Just not yet. This is also what was in there, and that is adorable.
Okay, the blonde one. Okay, yes, Baekhyun. The one in the Suo or Suho, the leader. That's the one from your. And then it said the rappers are. Oh gosh. Okay, Shonyo and Sehun.
Okay.
I don't know which one's which. I don't know which one's one. I don't know which one is he. Because he's, like I said, I think he's a rapper. I'm pulling up K profiles.
Hoon? I don't know.
No, we're not looking for you, sirs, right now. Jealous asses.
Yeah.
Suo.
Suo.
I love
Yep,
that bubble picture. Oh my goodness.
I know you. You are an issue. Thank you very much.
You are an issue too, sir. Baekhyun. My goodness.
Oh, wait.
Huh? Is that the glitter picture? He's got some glitter on him right here.
Oh, I think so. Is that him?
No. No, that's
No?
not him. I think that's him.
Okay.
So that's Shen. No,
I can't tell from the angle. See, the angle is so.
hold on. Got Dio.
Wait, this is Dio because it has a D on it. This has to be Dio.
Maybe? I don't know. This picture is hard to tell because he looks a lot different in it. Kai. Of course, we know Kai. No. Sehun. So my two big ones I think are Sehun.
Okay.
But who's the other one I have here? So who's this? I'm so confuzzled. Okay, hold on a second here. I have a good way to semi sort of figure this out. Come on a journey with us, people. Okay? We're getting our edumacation today.
Education.
I probably should have just held. No, I'm not looking for actual cream. Really? Google, go away. Oh my god. I should have just showed you guys what we were looking at. We were looking at K profiles. I just forgot to switch screens. Line distribution. Line distribution can help us with names. Yes, sure. Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
I think I'll be able to remember.
Yeah, I think we do have Geo.
I think it is.
Okay, so this is okay. So this is the one whose name I have trouble pronouncing.
Shenyol?
Shenyol? Y'all help me with pronunciation in the comments, please. Because he's an issue. And I need a name. And I need to know how to say it properly. But yeah, that's who he is. Okay. Well, we figured that out really quickly.
We're getting it down because I can remember Suo now. I can remember Suo now. I know Schumann. I know Kai. I'm getting there.
Yeah.
I have Dio.
I think what thrown me off is
here.
Chanel in the pictures on K profiles, and even in this picture here that they're using for like his icon, his hair looks shorter. But then if you look in the MV and in like all the pictures of him in my book and even in on the photo card, his hair is. Okay, I'm not trying to go back that far. I love the Kai placement card.
God. Like, I wanted to say something in our reaction to cream soda, but I was like, maybe it's not just him.
I think
Maybe
I
I'm
was.
missing the others or something. And so I didn't want to look stupid and it be like all the others are there. So I was waiting, and then by the time I waited, I completely spaced it
Yeah.
and never brought it up. But like, yeah, I saw his placement card and I was like, oh my
I didn't
God,
see it until
so
I was
sweet.
editing, and I think it was just because there was a lot going on. But like I was saying, his hair is longer here, and in all the pictures that I have. But on K profiles, his hair is like shorter, like in the icon, unless it's just like combed back.
Brush. I think it's a brush back.
Just brushed back. Okay, well,
Yeah.
sir, when you brush it back, you get me all kinds of confused, and then
See,
I
like
like it down like that.
angle
I
on
like it
this
down
one,
like that.
the angle of Dio on this one is throwing me off because anytime he's pictured looking more down, and it's a different angle, and I'm like, I don't know them well enough, or especially Dio and some of the others well enough to be like, oh, that's definitely him from every angle.
Right. We're
I'll
not
get
quite
there.
on that level yet. Okay, so that's what we got. That's our stuff. Also, they got like this little booklet thing. It's got I don't know, a bunch of different apps and stuff. But I saw SM Town Superstar because I play Superstar for one of my other groups. I have not tried the SM Town one. Then again, I haven't really had a lot of time to play.
So like a ticket. So I'm wondering if it doesn't unlock like cream soda or something.
It gives you a special card. So like you see this little card right here that it shows. You need the cards of the members to like give you more points as you do the songs.
Okay.
And so that's to give you, it's normally when the kind of things are included in an album, it's to give you like a free special rare card that you can only get from buying the album.
Okay. There was something on Bubble here too. There's like some kind of Bubble.
But my first EXO album, our first EXO album, Smart.
I'm so happy.
I am too.
My only regret is not getting it sooner.
Oh my God. Hold on. I'm sorry. This on the back of the album, there's like this, I don't know if it's individual messages or just one long message, but it says, EXO, we exist in every moment of yours. Realizing you are the light I've been searching for, we gently flew up with wings that have lightly spread. Here I am, and everything I do is for us. For long-lasting love, I will freeze my heart. To the future with us who resemble light. To you who grows brighter with every step. Don't worry if the darkness approaches, I will shine the light towards you. Our gentle pulse and shared breaths. I'm wondering if that's lyrics for one of the songs.
Probably, it sounds like it.
It's beautiful, though.
I just realized I am the biggest dumbass ever. Because I was trying to, like, I don't know who his name on the back exactly.
I mean,
I'm sitting there going, it's really cool. I can't exactly tell who it is. And his name's right there. Biggest dumbass ever.
It happens. It happens. We've done that with quite a few photo cards. So with that said, we're going to jump into this relay dance first, and then we'll do the killing voice.
Excuse me.
Yep.
Baby, come closer.
See? That's the one whose name I need help with. And I got a lot of pictures of you, sir.
Okay.
Basically, all the freebies I got were the rappers. It's hilarious because I normally go for the rappers in groups. Not always, but normally.
Okay.
High notes, holy crap, and the body rolls. Yep. I love the pink fluffy jacket. Wow.
His shirt underneath
Does not look
Whoa.
like it's there sometimes.
I was so thrown off for a minute.
By the way, I'm turning to the side because I'm watching this on my big screen. I was like, I need this one on the big screen.
Need it.
I love when you can tell they're having fun, you know?
Right?
Oh, so was that Get It also from Chanel? He's got a nice voice. They all got nice voices. Oh my god. Oh. I also love Baekhyun's hair in this too.
Right? Me too. Oh my god.
Look, Mark,
okay.
he knows you're a booty woman. So
Right? He's like, look, I have glittery cake. Oh my god.
Right?
I swear, the best thing about these, like, dance relays is watching the background.
Yep. I love it when they're like, I'm not waiting for my turn. I'm just gonna step out of line and dance on the side.
Right?
Wow.
That's a lot.
He's like, go ahead. Oh goodness. Oh, is this their mess ups? Oh my god, I love when they include the bloopers.
Oh my god. Just the puppy pink sleeves in the background.
Oh my goodness. I love how you can just tell they're having so much fun. Like all the smiles and laughs.
Right?
Because I've seen some relay dances where sometimes the idols look like they're just like, yeah, we kind of have to do this. Like that's how it feels like anyways. And they're like, we're just gonna have fun.
Right?
Oh my god.
I really prefer, like, they're all great, but I really prefer the ones where they're just goofing off and having a whole lot of fun.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, since we're trying to get edumacated before we see the guide next month, I'm gonna pull up K-profiles one more time. No. I'm gonna look at a few things real quick. I love the ages. Oh my goodness, this is my kind of group. Why am I not surprised he's an extrovert? He looks like he'd be an extrovert. So he's even older than the leader. Okay.
Good with that.
Introvert. Yeah. His previous result was an ENFJ, and then he got ISTJ. So he went from an extrovert to an introvert.
Superpower badge Frost Snowflake. I don't know what that means.
Fitting,
but
though. That is anything water or ice related, and that's C, and then he's water for superpower badge. Anything water or ice related tends to be up your alley.
Right. It's not that I want to be, I don't like to be cold. We talked about this on a different, I can't even remember. Anyways, we talked about this on a different unboxing. I have a superpower, and it is freezing stuff with my hands.
Yeah.
Because they, like, you know how you sit on your hands to get them warm if they're cold? I will freeze my own butt doing that.
I forgot what unboxing it was, but we got these photo cards where you, like, with warmth, if you rub them, they go from, like, black photo cards to, like, revealing a message. Mur couldn't do it. anytime she got the message to reveal itself through other means, the second her hands would touch it, it would go straight black again.
Yeah.
Like, and I was like, wow.
It's a superpower.
It is. It's so... Baekhyun,
So, yeah.
He went from introvert to extrovert.
Oh, wow. I cannot imagine going from introvert to extrovert. I can guarantee you, I will never not be an introvert. At this point, I think I'm just doomed.
I have no idea. I feel like I feel like I'm an introvert who can have extrovert tendencies. And also his superpower is light or sun.
Cute. I love how, like, the two biggest issues, other than Kai, because Kai is, like, a different...
I feel like he's a separate issue. I don't know why. I guess because we knew him first as, like, a soloist first. I don't know.
I don't know EXO well enough, but for us, I think there's, like, going to be our EXO issues and then Kai.
Kai gets his own category. So he's introvert. Oh, thunder and lightning. I like that.
That's cool.
See, the slicked back threw me. Okay, so Chanyeol really need to work on the pronunciation.
Chanyeol, I think.
He's an extrovert, which makes sense.
Fire and Phoenix. That is really cool.
That is really cool.
But yeah, I do find it funny that my two biggest issues are going to be water and ice. That's hilarious. Superpower is force.
And he's an
Very
extrovert.
Cool.
Kai.
And then there's Kai,
who's introvert. And
teleportation.
Why am I not surprised?
Boy, you better come over, Mr. Rover. You better teleport your butt here. Yes.
And then our other rapper is the Magnate at 94, introvert, Wind. I feel like because he's like I said, I think it's hilarious that my freebies were the rappers. Because rappers, most of my biases, like 95% of my biases tend to be the rappers.
Yeah. Mine are like leaning more towards the vocalists now.
Yeah.
I think.
And then we share a couple main dancers, I feel like.
Yeah.
We both tend to... it's like if it's... For me, if it's like not the main rapper, then it tends to be like dancers, like main dancers.
Right.
But most of mine are rappers. And most of mine, not all of mine, but most of mine are also extroverts. So I feel like based on that, I should be really, really worried about him.
Yeah. I think mine always end up being almost always end up being introverts. I have a few extroverts, but even my extroverts, like except for one, even my extroverts have introvert tendencies.
Yeah. And even like the introverts that I do have tend to have extrovert tendencies. Like if I would have had to guess, I would say they're an extrovert, and then I'm surprised when I find out they're an introvert.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
So based on that, I think Schumann is actually going to be a serious issue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like my serious issues right now are Chanyeol and Baekhyun. Like Baekhyun, even though he's not a rapper, there's something, I don't know what it is. I don't know. We need to learn more. We need personalities. Personalities will be like the main deciding factor. I'm not deciding anything else right now. I'm just saying they're on my radar. Cause anytime we pick too soon, and then we get to know personalities, and then we switch sides, and then we feel bad.
Someone is always like, no, you belong to me now.
Right?
And then we have to make confessions, and it just gets really embarrassing for everybody.
Yes.
So.
Alrighty, so now we have Killing Voice. So it looks like, they're gonna do Growl, Mama. I don't know if I've heard Mama. I don't think I've heard Butterfly Girl. We're gonna do Cream Soda, Sing for You. I've not heard that one. I don't think the Eve.
Okay. And more songs.
And more. I was just trying to go through and see which ones I
there's
knew and
more.
didn't know.
빨리 와. 빨리 와.
오케이 딩고!
킬링 보이스. 인사드리겠습니다. 하나, 둘, 셋. 위아.
안녕하셨습니다.
네. 네, 여러분들의 성원에 힘입어 우리
Wait,
엑소엘
do I not
분들이
have subs?
너무 원하셔서 저희가 드디어 왔습니다.
예!
들어드릴까요?
첫 번째 곡
only.
들려드리겠습니다. 노래해 주세요.
It's okay. We're here for the singing.
Yo, okay. 나 혹시 몰라
Okay.
경고하는데 잘 들어. 지금 위험해.
So dangerous.
자꾸 나를
Oh God, I love
Girl.
I do too.
Loves the girl so much.
숨이
Oh,
자꾸 멎는다.
I do too. But it,
네가
man.
날 향해 걸어온다.
나를 보며 웃는다. 너도 내게
So
끌리는지.
much different to seeing them sing this as like grown-ass men.
쳐다볼 때
가까이 가까워진 숨소리. 날 미치게 만드는 너인 걸.
아무도 널 못 보게 품에 감추고 싶어. 널 노리는 시선들 내 안에 일어나. 그림자 내 안에 깨어나. 널 보는 두 눈에 불꽃이 튄다. 그녀 곁에서 모두 다 물러나. 이젠 조금씩 사나워진다. 나 으르렁 으르렁 으르렁대. 나 으르렁 으르렁 으르렁대. 나 으르렁 으르렁 으르렁대.
물러서지 않으면 다쳐도 몰라.
I really do love getting to
다음
hear their
곡은
vocals so
제 컴백이
bare
시급한 곡이죠.
because it really comes through
Love
over
Me
the
Right.
music.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Love Me Right. We only just heard the song for the first time on Boys Planet. If there's an MV though, I want to see it.
다 같이.
나나나나 나나나나
So tonight 달 끝까지 달려가 볼까.
yeah 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 yeah
Just right. 식동을 걸어 웩셀에 바른 어울려. 모든 것이 특별해 너와 잘 어울려. 무엇을 원하든 I'ma make it work.
쇼리하면 파리스 더 sundown. 지금 이 신비로운 느낌은 뭘까. 와도 내게로 와서 before the sunlight. 네가 없으면 어디가 nowhere.
도로 위에 여긴 runway 날 바라보는 눈썹 Milky Way Just love me right Baby love me right
내게로 와 망설이지만 넌 매혹적인 나의
The harmonization in this also, my goodness.
눈은 전부 너야
Just love me right.
Just
I swear to keep looking at the camera and I'm like, y'all need to stop looking like y'all can see us.
내 우주는
Right?
전부 너야.
I am in the privacy of my own home, and you need to
Call me,
like
baby.
recognize.
Let's go.
네가 우리
Oh,
완전
yes,
남이야.
I
Oh
love Call
my
Me Baby.
God.
사람들 사이는 남이야. 함께하는 매 순간이 like boom 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 boom. What up?
Hey girl 영 같은 찰나 운명 같은 순간 나를 한순간 뚫고 가
번개처럼
내게
이상해.
불러주면 나에게로 다가와
놀라워. 섬광처럼 가득 차. 너를 마주한 순간 oh my. 편하게 여기 앉아
Vocals really are stunning. Oh my goodness.
I don't care 멀리 멀리 돌아간대도 이렇게 너의 곁에 다른 남자가 돼줄 테니 내 입술에 너
I need you to calm down. I really need you to calm down.
나는 것들을 만나 그 안에 진짜를 봐봐 Call me baby babe Call me baby Call me baby babe Call me baby 널 향해 커져간 맘마 너 말곤 그 물을 닫아 Call me baby babe Call me baby Call me baby babe Call me baby
Call me girl.
네,
Okay.
Oh
다음은
my goodness.
겨울 앨범 노래로 분위기를 바꿔보겠습니다. Sing for you 들어주세요. 내 낡은 기타를 들어
Some like
하지
acoustic?
못한 고백을 혹은 고집스레 삼킨 얘기를 노래 하나 만든 척 지금 말하려 해요. 그냥 들어요. I sing for you.
Ooh.
너무 사랑하지만 사랑한단 말 안 해 어색해 자존심 허락하네
오늘은 용기 내서 난 말할 테지만
무심히 들어요 I sing for you The way you cry
Oh, it's just beautiful.
The way you smile 내겐 얼마나 큰 의미인 걸까 하고픈 말 놓쳐버린 말 고백할 테지만 그냥 들어요 I sing for you Sing for you 그냥 한번 듣고
See, I love harmonies.
네, 정말 오랜만에 들려드리네요.
So many of them
That
have
was
like a nice
incredible.
raspy tone to their voices too, or just have like this like just I don't know how to explain it.
There was like a breathy and
Yeah. I don't think I know this one either. Oh.
이렇게도 달라졌다는 게 나조차 믿기지 않아 네 사랑은 이렇게 계속 날 움직여 시간을 멈춰 내게 돌아가 추억의 책을 너의 페이지를 열어 난 그 안에 있어 너와 함께 있는 건
Wow, stunning
다음
vocals.
곡은 많은 아티스트 분들께서 커버해 주신 곡이에요. 바로
Uh-oh.
러브샷.
빵이야
boy.
차갑도록 서로 겨눈 채
I just feel like I gotta prepare myself.
Right?
숨 막히는 것만 가득해 눈을 가린 채로 그렇게 굳게 닫아버린 서로의 마음이 애써 외면하는 걸 다 들어가 갈라질 때 숨이 막혀와 갈증이 나 이 한 잔을
Ooh, I love the
가득히
lights in the back.
Right?
That is cool.
I feel like I need to go back and rewatch videos that we've already seen. No, stop.
Don't stop. I can't be the only one that dies.
I do feel like I need to go back and rewatch MVs now that I'm starting to pick up on names.
Right?
Oh god.
Yeah. They hit different once you start to get names and stuff.
They do. Oh my god, I love this song.
차츰 밝아오는 새벽
Love this song.
끝없이 이어지고 있어 모든 칼날 끝에 잘라내지 못해 계속 반복되는 문제 미처 풀지 못한 숙제 높은 벽 앞에 쓰러지던 자꾸 약한 바람 소리가 뒤엉켜 폭풍처럼 몰아치는 소리를 들어봐 깨고 부딪혀야 해
They're like, we can't help but do the dance just a little bit.
Right? And I'm surprised with Love Shot there wasn't the, you know, there was a little bit of movement, but I'm surprised they held it in.
I find it funny that two of our shoes were the ones doing it though. Just
Right?
Put it back home. We're like, we need to do the dance to this one.
Right? They're watching, we gotta do it. No,
Right?
you don't have to.
No, it's
소개해주세요.
okay.
우월한 오케스트라가 가미된 곡입니다. 네, 많은
See, I don't know this one either.
감사하고 우월한
I wish I knew what they were saying.
삶에 허락된 축복받은 날들에 감사하고 매일 새로운 인연들을 만들고 깨져버린 마음에 보다 깊은 사랑을 모두 함께 웃을 수 있다면 우리 더 이상 눈을 마주하지 않을까 소통하지 않을까 사랑하지 않을까 아픈 현실에 다시 눈물이 흘러 바꿀 수 있다고 바꾸면 된다고 말해요 마마 마마
Them two can't hold still. They're like, we must
No.
dance.
중독은 영어로 오버도즈가 아닙니다.
Ooh, I love overdose also.
Come in.
You're gay.
Oh,
Addicted.
Y'all need to stop.
Hey, 모든 걸 걸고 널 들이켰네 이젠 돌이킬 수도 없다 이건 분명 위험한 중독 So bad, no one can stop her Hold up,
Okay.
오직 그것만
Right?
봐라
Have
그녀의
you not heard this
사랑
one?
하나뿐인 걸
Oh, you haven't? I love Overdose. It's such a good one. Oh, you gotta watch Overdose.
Oh, she wants me Oh, she starts
Oh, wait.
me
Yeah, I have.
Okay.
Yeah, I have.
me 좋아 더욱 갈망하고
My
있어
God, that's so-
사망 걸고 닥터 날 붙잡고 말해줘 사랑은 명중독 overdose
Oh, yeah.
시간이
Didn't get to the
지날수록
introduction of the chorus and the
점점
chorus.
깊숙이
Yeah.
빠져간다.
But yeah, I have.
Too much 너야
We need to do it for throwback one day.
이건 overdose Too much 너야 your love 이건 overdose
It's such a good
저,
one. I love this one.
몬스터입니다.
I haven't listened to it. Oh, God. Monster.
뭐야?
I wish we had subtitles for what they were saying because they keep cracking up. And I'm like, I want to laugh
Right?
too. I want to know what's being said.
Right?
소화만 터쳐보면
God.
근데 내 진심은 왜 결국에 날 거부 못해 숨어서 훔쳐보다가 깜짝 놀라지 내게 난 티노미 같은 난 내 존재의 일부 날 그대로 받아들여 너의 두려움 걱정은 접어두려 네가 견딜만한 고통을 누려 더 깊이 빠져들어 널 맘대로 가지고
fire,
놀아
man.
내 손에서 마음껏 놀아 도망가지 마 너 영원히 맴돌아
Call me monster
Oh.
뒤집고 무너뜨리고 삼켜 그래 넌 훔쳐탐닉해 널 망쳐놓을 거야
I love Monster so much.
Me too.
영원히 살래 Come and go You call me monster 내 맘으로 들어갈게
Wow. Wow. Once hearing the songs sung this way with like these like raw vocals, they hit
So different.
so much harder.
Yeah.
다시 겨울이 또 왔어.
눈이다
I did not know this one.
첫눈이 오면 항상 순위권에 올라오는 그 곡.
찾는 오는 이런 오후에 너에게 전화를 걸수
Like we just did two dangerous songs, so here's something that's like light and sweet sounding.
Right? Yeah. Let you breathe for a minute.
Just for a minute.
I really like this song.
It's pretty sounding.
시계를 되돌려 마음을 되돌려 지금 우린 달라졌을까 바보 같은 소리지 그래도 마냥 너를 만나면 눈물 차올라 바보 같은 난 아무 말 못해 말해줘 Merry Merry Christmas 안녕 잘 지내는
Oh, it's a
거지
They have
It's supposed to be like
we have to do it
from
for the Christmas week.
Yes.
They have an MV for it.
Yeah. I wonder, this must be from their holiday album or something.
네,
Yeah.
이번 노래는 우리 엑소와 엑소엘을 이어주는 아주 예쁜 노래입니다. 네, 나비소녀 들려드릴게요.
조금은 날갯짓 널 향한 이끌림 나에게 따라오라 손짓한 것 같아서 애절한 눈빛과 무언의 이야기 가슴에 회오리가 몰아치던 그날 밤 오묘한 그대의
love this one
모습에
either.
넋을 놓고 하나뿐인 영혼을 뺏기고 그대의 눈짓에 완전히 취해서 숨 쉬는 것조차 잊어버린 나인데 왈츠처럼 사뿐히 앉아 눈을 뗄 수 없어 시선이 자연스레 걸음마다 널 따라가잖아 나를 해줘 그대가 살고 있는 곳에 나도 함께 데려가
That's pretty. Oh my goodness.
끝이라도 뒤따라갈 테니 부디 내 시야에서 벗어나지 말아줘 아침이 와도 사라지지 말아줘
꿈을 꾸는 걸음 그대 나만의 아름다운 나비
와,
와,
끝나갑니다, 여러분.
힘내세요.
네.
이 각박한 세상 속에서 여러분들 힘내세요.
힘내세요.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
I don't know what he said, but he was serious about it.
자 시간이 없어
I don't know this one either.
I don't either.
세상에 달렸어
I like the sound though.
따윈 버려 우린 그래도 돼 모든 열쇠 너에게 있는데
잠들지 않아도 꿈꾸던 널
잊지 않기를 바래 오늘 우리 함께
신나게 한번
Oh
불태워볼까
my god.
오편화된 feeling Don't turn me up Power 네가 나를 볼 때 서로 같은 마음이 느껴질 때 Power 더 강해지는 걸 Turn the music up 내 We got that power 이 음악을 통해 같이 한 목소리로 노래할 때 Power 더 강해지는 걸 Turn the music up 내
Man, I really like this one.
Right?
Turn the music up
I feel like I'm going and looking up all the ones I don't know now.
힘내세요
Right?
다 같이 We got that
Ooh.
네, 엑소가 3년 만에 정규
Okay.
7집으로 돌아왔습니다. 엑지스트
Buckle up.
그 타이틀곡 크림 소다 지금 들려드릴게요.
What? Why?
듯한 느낌 꽤나 부드러운 크림 섞일수록 더욱 진해져 baby
또 목이 타는 기분 살짝 위태로운 지금 다른 걸론 절대 만족 못해
Baby come closer 입안 가득 퍼져 처음 맛본 특별한 끌림
이 자극적인 텐션 like a bottle of cola 넌 탄산처럼 팝 터져 이미
이성이 다 마비된 듯 사랑 앞에선 베이비 자꾸만 비틀
까다로운 척 이리저리 재봐도 원래 몸에 해로운 게 끌리는 거 알지
주체 못한 appetite
Oh my god.
뒤흔든 그만
The high notes here, my god. Why? Why, Josh? Why?
너 같을수록 좀 더 달콤해져 내 맘을 아주 쏙 빼놔
I need all your
또 쏘는
My
듯한 느낌
God.
꽤나 부드러운 크림 섞일수록 더욱 진해져 babe
Baby go dum dum 머릿속을 shaking 딱한 입에 난 이미 freezing
Give me that 얌얌 맞질 않는 테스트 날 사로잡은 달콤한
Yeah,
그 flavor
달콤해 이건 마치 번번 디젤 한 모금 들이
마신 순간 덤덤 before 날 자제하려
시도했지만 조절이 안돼 맘보다 본능이 so fast
이대로 멈출 수 없어 유노한 건기를
주체 못할 appetite
Hit it.
내 모든 걸 뒤흔든 그만 I need all your cream soda
Wow.
같을수록 좀 더 달콤해져 내 맘을 아주 쏙 빼놔 I need you
Wow.
Hey
많은 관심과 기대 부탁드리겠습니다.
감사합니다. 안녕.
갈게요.
Shit. God.
Did you sing in
Oh
the
my
distance?
god.
Mer, we might have an issue with this group.
Right.
I'm like over here going, you know, I normally go for rappers, and Baekhyun's like, you want to bet? Because I saw some things that tend to be things that I tend to notice a lot in a lot of my biases, and he was doing those things, and I'm like, I'm in trouble.
Well, see, and like I can't even remember, but someone was like, "Oh, so and so, if you liked cracked ones, then so and so is probably going to be your bias." Wasn't Schumann, but I'm just saying, watching this, there was like slight crackness that kept coming out where I was like, I don't know.
Yeah. Him and Baekhyun were vibing a lot, and they couldn't hold still. They were like, "This might be killing boys, but we're gonna try and dance a little bit too, but also try and hope." Like you could tell, like they wanted to do more, and they were like restraining themselves.
Right? I'm not calling anything.
I'm not calling anything.
I'm just saying someone's really working hard for that bias spot.
Right. We really need that guide.
Yeah.
I have it planned for next month. I don't remember what week or what day, because next month is gonna get freaking nuts, I think. But I do have one planned for next month. And then, like I said, I have some videos, potential killers, picked out from her birthday week also. So we'll see how this goes. But yeah, with that said, oh god, we will go ahead and wrap this one up. Like I said, normally we try to make our album unboxings quick, but if you're gonna add a killing voice, it's just not gonna happen. So
right, yeah.
And if you're trying to get edumacated, it's not gonna happen.
Right.
So, but hopefully you all enjoyed this as much as we did. Like we said, we are gonna try and get into some more EXO on the channel for sure. Definitely got stuff planned for next month. But until then, we will catch y'all later.
Oh, Dave! Why is he so cool about it?
Right?
I need you to not be so toxic. It makes me look so bad. We just got the performance.
Damn,
oh my god.
Oh my god. That was very hot.
애들은 이런 거 가지고 장난치는 거
Oh
아니야.
my god. She's got big, gorgeous eyes.
Oh my goodness. Look at the cat's face.
Oh my god.
Hold on.
Yes! This is the performance I wanted to see like a year ago. Oh my god.
Stop it, Kay. Kay's phone just came out.
Oh no, don't. You know what? Raven's back there going like, this song is erotic. Oh my god!
I was gonna say you better zoom in for the hip thrust. Why you so far away right now?
Why? You had to hit me in the feels.
My goodness. I'm
love
taking a smile off my face.
Right?
Wow.
He's just right up in the camera. I know where to look now.
Oh.
I really like this routine. These guys are gonna have nightmares after this.
Right?
With Homie just running with safety.
Yup.
Somebody grab his shoe.
So many hips. So much hip stuff. Okay. Oh my god. And then Mingy with the swag. Come on now.
Dusting the mic off, that was so good.